Looking ahead to the trading week beginning June 30th, Monday marks the end of month and the end of the second quarter, and there are some stock market patterns you should keep an eye on. The turn of month effect, also known as window dressing, shows high returns in the last day of the old month and the first few days of the new month. Of course, the increased volatility and positive returns are concentrated in a very short window. At quarter end, however, markets face liquidity pressures and volatility, but no reliably positive trend shows itself. So we're looking at a situation where month end stocks tend to rise due to the end of month effect, but it gets pretty unpredictable when combined with the end of a quarter. An honorable mention next week goes to trade and geopolitics, as crude oil had its largest percentage down move, over 11%, since the week of March 13th of 2023. Gold finished last week lower for the second consecutive week, and the dollar in aggregate dropped to its lowest level since the end of February 2022 this past week. Non-farm payrolls are due on Thursday instead of Friday this coming week due to the July 4th holiday, where stock and bond markets are closed in the U.S. Markets expect payrolls to rise between 125 and 130,000, with the unemployment rate holding steady at 4.2%, and wage growth is expected at 3.9% year over year. We'll be watching how this data affects yields and the CME Fed Watch tool. Yields last week were down double digits and fell for the second consecutive week.